Welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring one of the most iconic cities in the Pacific Northwest, Seattle, Washington, the Emerald City. From scenic mountain views and world-famous markets to top-tier coffee and delicious seafood, Seattle is one of America's most exciting vacation spots. Let's discover everything you need to know for your perfect Seattle getaway. Seattle is known for its misty weather, evergreen forests, creative energy, and stunning waterfront. With a mix of arts, culture, outdoor adventures, and great food, this city is perfect for couples, solo travelers, and families alike. No trip to Seattle is complete without a visit to the legendary Space Needle. Standing 605 feet tall, it offers breathtaking 360-degree views of downtown Seattle, Mount Rainier, Puget Sound, and the Olympic Mountains. Make sure to check out the rotating glass floor for the ultimate adrenaline moment and incredible photos. Just steps away is the Seattle Center, home to amazing attractions. Visit the Museum of Pop Culture, featuring exhibits on Jimi Hendrix, horror films, and legendary music icons. Or explore the Chihuly Garden and Glass Museum, where colorful glass sculptures glow in the gardens and galleries. If you love art or photography, this entire area is a must-see. Next, head to the world-famous Pike Place Market, a historic farmers market bursting with life. Watch the fish throwers do their thing, try local foods, browse crafts, and check out fresh produce. And yes, stop by the original Starbucks store for a photo and a cup of Seattle history. Seattle is the coffee capital of the US, and it's not just about Starbucks. The city is full of incredible cafes like Storyville, Victrola, and Elm Coffee Roasters, offering some of the freshest brews in the world. Whether you're into espresso, cold brew, or herbal blends, you'll experience some of the best coffee of your life here. For outdoor lovers, Seattle is paradise. Take a scenic ferry ride to Bainbridge Island, perfect for photos and peaceful walks. Visit Kerry Park for postcard-perfect skyline shots. Or explore Discovery Park, the largest park in the city, offering beaches, forests, and incredible sunset views. If you're up for a day trip, Mount Rainier and Snoqualmie Falls are just a short drive away. Seattle's food scene is world-class. Enjoy fresh salmon, oysters, and Dungeness crab straight from local waters. Try amazing restaurants like the Pink Door, Toulouse Petit, and Elliott's Oyster House. From street food to upscale cuisine, Seattle is a foodie's dream. Seattle offers tons of great places to stay. Downtown, Belltown, Capitol Hill, and South Lake Union are top choices because they're close to restaurants, attractions, and entertainment. Whether you're looking for luxury hotels or cozy vacation stays, Seattle has something for every travel style. If you're ready to start planning your Seattle vacation, I've linked some great hotel deals, activities, and travel packages down below. These are trusted platforms I use myself, and they help support the channel at no extra cost. Book your hotel with Booking.com, link in the description. Find amazing Seattle activities through Get Your Guide, link below, and explore travel packages with Expedia using my Expedia affiliate link. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next travel journey.
Whether you're taking a weekend trip or traveling across the world, having the right travel gear makes the journey so much easier. Today, I'm sharing 7 travel essentials from Amazon that are affordable, compact, and extremely useful. First, compression packing cubes. These help organize your outfits, save space, and keep your suitcase neat. No more digging around for clothes or dealing with messy luggage. Next, reusable travel size bottles. They're TSA approved, leak proof, and perfect for carrying oils, lotions, and shampoo without bringing full-size bottles. Safety matters when you travel. A portable door lock adds extra security in hotels or Airbnbs and installs in seconds. It's small, discreet, and gives peace of mind. If you travel internationally, you'll need a universal travel adapter. It works in many countries and lets you charge multiple devices at once. A portable power bank keeps your devices charged all day during flights, tours, and adventures. No more hunting for outlets. For long trips, a memory foam neck pillow supports your back and neck so you can rest comfortably. And stay hydrated with a collapsible water bottle. It's lightweight, space-saving, and great for day trips and hikes. All the product links are listed in the description below. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more travel tips. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. I'll be adding the Amazon links for these items shortly, so check back soon if you'd like to shop the products mentioned. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Subscribe for more travel, food, and journey.